Hello, Dungeon Masters. Have you ever considered bringing science fiction elements into your Dungeons & Dragons games? Are you intrigued by the idea of running a Spelljammer campaign or craving a change from the usual D&D adventure setting? In celebration of May the 4th, Star Wars Day, Riley Silverman wrote an amazing article on D&D Beyond about blending sci-fi with D&D. Today, we'll go over this article, explore how you can create your own sci-fi components using ChatGPT, and examine how to expand your Spelljammer campaign with a wealth of material beyond the D&D 5e sourcebook. Are you ready to discover how to craft the most epic sci-fi Dungeons & Dragons campaign that your players will love? Well, grab your lightsaber and laser pistol, and prepare to battle giant space hamsters. Let's get started on this thrilling adventure that combines the magic of fantasy with the wonders of science fiction. In Riley Silverman's article, Bringing Science Fiction to Your Dungeons & Dragons Game, he explains why some dungeon masters bring sci-fi elements into their games. Then he breaks down the article into 3 sections: Dungeon Master's Guide Rules, Sci-Fi Tropes in Fantasy Settings, and Published D&D Resources. I am going to leave a link to the article in the description below. The article gives some examples of why you should add sci-fi elements into your Dungeons & Dragons setting. I am going to expand on this idea. Including sci-fi elements in your D&D adventures can give your players a new setting or a different experience than normal. Including aliens or having them fly on a ship into space changes the usual setting of the players exploring a dungeon or castle. However, I would ask your players first if they want to bring some sci-fi elements into the setting or if they want to try a sci-fi campaign. For example, when my players encountered the Mind Flayer ship in Icewind Dale, they absolutely hated it. If they agree to add sci-fi into the campaign, these sci-fi elements can be rewarding for both the player and DM. Now let's dive into Chapter 9 of the Dungeon Master's Guide. In the article, it is explained how we can use laser and antimatter weapons, alien technology, rest variants, and healing variants. We will be using ChatGPT to help us come up with more alternatives than what is in the Dungeon Master's Guide. I will post all the ChatGPT results in the description below. First, let's talk about laser and antimatter weapons. The Dungeon Master's Guide has a futuristic weapons section. Let's go over the weapons. As you can see from this chart that comes from the Dungeon Master's Guide, the laser pistol deals 3d6 radiant damage, weighs 2 pounds, has a range of 4120, and reloads with 50 shots. The antimatter rifle deals 6d8 necrotic damage, weighs 10 pounds, has a range of 120/360, reloads with 2 shots, and is 2-handed. The laser rifle deals 3d8 radiant damage, weighs 7 pounds, has a range of 100/300, reloads with 30 shots, and is 2-handed. We can also add bombs and grenades from the Dungeon Master's Guide to give our character explosive devices. Bomb, as an action, can be thrown up to 60 feet. Creatures within 5 feet must make a DC 12 dexterity saving throw or take 3d6 fire damage. Grenades, as an action, can be thrown up to 60 feet, 120 feet with a launcher. Fragmentation grenades require a DC 15 dexterity saving throw, 5d6 piercing damage on a failed save, half on a success. Smoke grenades create a heavily obscured area in a 20-foot radius, dispersed by wind. Now if we want to add more weapons, let's use ChatGPT to get us a list of homebrew sci-fi weapons. First, go to ChatGPT. I will put a link in the description. Then at the prompt, we will type, "Create me a list and description of science fiction weapons I can use in my Dungeons & Dragons game." Do not include any weapons from the Dungeon Master's Guide or sourcebooks. This is for a homebrew adventure. Include a description, weapon damage, weight, and weapon type. If it is a ranged weapon, include the range. After a few seconds, you have a nice list of science fiction weapons that you can put into your campaign. Now let's look at alien technology. According to the Dungeon Master's Guide, when characters encounter unfamiliar technology, they must make intelligence checks to understand it. Simple items require 2 successful checks, while complex items require 4. The Figuring Out Alien Technology table guides the outcomes of these checks. Characters familiar with a similar item or who have seen it in use gain advantage on these checks. If a character fails 4 times before taking a long rest, consider having the item break. One thing you can do here is use ChatGPT to create gadgets for your players. This is perfect for the Artificer class. Type this into ChatGPT prompt, Create me 10 gadgets for my players to use in a Dungeons and Dragons science fiction setting. Please include descriptions and rules for these gadgets. Do not use any source books. As you can see, we got some good results, including descriptions and rules for each of the gadgets. A lot of these gadgets give really good bonuses that can help your players' characters. Finally, let's look at rest and healing variants. According to the rules of the Dungeon Master's Guide, healing and rest variants adjust the recovery process in D&D to suit different campaign styles. Healer's Kit dependency requires a healer's kit for hit dice usage after a short rest. Healing Surges lets characters regain hit points during combat by spending up to half their hit dice. Slow Natural Healing only allows hit dice usage for healing at the end of a long rest. Rest variants include Epic Heroism, with 5-minute short rests and 1-hour long rests for faster recovery, and Gritty Realism, with 8-hour short rests and 7-day long rests for more cautious, strategic gameplay. These options can be tailored to fit the desired tone and pacing of a campaign. We are now going to create 5 healing variants for our campaign. Type into ChatGPT, create 5 sci-fi healing variants for my Dungeons & Dragons 5e game, including how much damage is healed and the rules around each item. As you can see, you have a nice list of healing items. These items can again be used by an artificer or a cleric who is acting like a doctor to heal the party. When integrating these gadgets into your game, consider how they might affect the balance of your campaign. Be open to adjusting their power or functionality as needed to maintain a fun and engaging experience for your players. By incorporating these sci-fi elements and using ChatGPT to create custom weapons and gadgets, you can create a unique and thrilling D&D experience that blends the best of both worlds. Now let's discuss the versatility of storytelling and how it can be used to combine elements from different genres to create unique stories. The author gives an example from the Adventure Zone podcast's Ether Sea arc, where the Dungeon Master moved space opera tropes into an underwater setting in a D&D campaign. The article provides a list of popular science fiction tropes and suggests how they can be adapted to a D&D fantasy campaign, demonstrating how storytellers can use their creativity to create new and exciting narratives. The author suggests using alien invasions, dystopian worlds, bizarre creations, and technological terrors, the impact of advanced technology, and time travel or parallel universes as possible themes. The article provides examples of how these elements can be used to create compelling stories within a D&D game and encourages dungeon masters to use resources such as the Dungeon Master's Guide and Explorer's Guide to Wildmount to create unique and exciting sci-fi settings. We can take one of these science fiction elements and have ChatGPT create us a session. Type into ChatGPT, create a 3-hour session where 4 level 10 characters are in the middle of an alien invasion of mind flayers. The mind flayer ship is above the city, capturing people with its tentacles. The players are on the ground defending the city from the mind flayers coming from the ship. Include a description for each encounter, stats of the monsters for each encounter, and treasure. Include an introduction narrative to read to the players and a description to read to the players for each encounter. And here are our results. ChatGPT has created us a nice session for our players. Include treasure in the monsters for each encounter. This gives you a quick way to create sessions for your players. The article finally talks about official resources that a DM can use to run science fiction campaigns. This includes Spelljammer, Adventures in Space, focuses on space exploration and interstellar adventures, suitable for space opera stories. Van Richten's Guide to Ravenloft, features domains inspired by classic sci-fi themes such as mad science, environmental disasters, and hybrids. Eberron, Rising from the Last War, merges magic and technology in a pulp adventure setting, ideal for sci-fi/fantasy fusion. Guildmaster's Guide to Ravnica offers a planet-spanning city with factions, bureaucracy, and the potential for stories of scientific experiments gone wrong. Baldur's Gate, Descent into Avernus, provides a wasteland setting in the Nine Hells, suitable for post-apocalyptic survival stories. The best part with websites like DM Guild, you can find additional material to run your sci-fi campaign. For example, if we search for Spelljammer, we get many books and other source materials from previous editions of Spelljammer. I would recommend using a site like DM Guild to expand your campaign, giving more content to your players. The article did a great job of discussing how to add sci-fi elements to your game. by integrating sci-fi elements into a D&D game can enrich the storytelling experience and offer a refreshing change of pace for players. By exploring alien worlds, dystopias, bizarre creations, and the impact of advanced technology, dungeon masters can create immersive narratives that blend the best of both genres. Official D&D resources, such as Spelljammer, Van Richten's Guide to Ravenloft, and Eberron, Rising from the Last War, provide ample inspiration for incorporating sci-fi tropes and themes. In addition to these official resources, utilizing AI tools like ChatGPT can help generate new ideas and content for your games. This can be particularly helpful for creating unique NPCs, plot hooks, or even entire campaign settings. Furthermore, websites like DM's Guild offer a wealth of community-created content, including adventures, settings, and rules that can expand your D&D experience with sci-fi elements. By embracing these ideas and resources, DMs and players alike can experience a thrilling, genre-blending adventure that adds a unique twist to their favorite tabletop role-playing game. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Also, please subscribe to our channel, as a small channel that will help us grow. Thank you for watching.